आमची प्रॉपर्टी म्युनिसिपालिटी प्रॉपर्टी आयडेंटिफाय करपाक आमी एक एडवोकेट आनी सर्वेयर केलो अपॉयंट करपाक केलो कित्याक लागून आमची जी प्रॉपर्टी आहा न्ही हाऱ्या वाड्यार ती लायनी हेजे ग्रावंडा फाटल्यान तेजे आमचे सर्वेचेर तेंचें नांव येता कोण प्रायवेट पार्टीची तेका लागून आमी एक सर्वेयर आनी एक एडवोकेट अपॉयंट करपाक केलो लास्ट टायम आमी रिजोल्युशन घेयल्लें पूण तेमी आमी ताका लेटर केल्लें अशें अपॉयंट केल्लें आमी ताका लेटर केलें तांकां जॉयन जावपाक ते विलिंगनेस तेमी दाखयली ना जॉयन जावपाची तेका लागून आतां परत रेजोल्युशन घेयलां
जो बाबा आनी एक NOC सिमेटरी खातीर एक NOC आमची एक साडा आनी NOC फॉर सुलभ टॉयलेट एट बायना तेजेर कितें इशू डिस्कस जाला
सडा तेमीन आमकां लेटर केल्लें क्रिश्चन सिमेंट्री तेमीन ते खूब प्रोटेस्टंट आहाय क्रिश्चन आहाय तेमीन की तांकां सेपरेट तांकां NOC जाय तांकां सेपरेट पयशे भरपाक हें नळाचे आनी लायटी बील कित्याक पयलीं आमी म्युनिसिपालिटी नांवान येताले ते पयशे आमी भरताले आतां ते भरून विलिंगनेस जाले भरपाक तेंच्या नांवान आमी आतां भरतले आमचें नांव आसतलें म्युनिसिपालिटीन ब्रॅकेटान तेंचें नांव आसतलें तेमी सांगलां की तेजेर FIR आनी विजिलन्साक दिवची म्हणून केस सबसिस्ट आमी ते सगळे ती केस विजिलन्साक FIR दिवची
Started by saying allegations. Until proved, there will be allegations. But what is the narrative being created? The narrative being created is if you are supporting, if nobody is supporting the LDC, but a narrative being created over here in the municipality, some people also is that if you say that that person is not guilty, means you are supporting corruption, which is wrong. If he is guilty, action should be taken. But the question was here, there may be some personal agendas that are there, which should not happen. It's a question of his job. If he's wrong, yes, he's suspended. Whatever action has to be taken, has to be taken. So it came here today for an FIR to be filed against him. Now it so appears that the gun is being kept on the shoulder of the head of the councillors and is being shot. If someone has a personal agenda, let him do what is to be done. Now, if he's guilty, again we are saying, conduct an inquiry, do the procedure. कितें करपाचें तें कर पूण स्वत्याक तुमी म्हणटा डायरेक्टली तेजेर FIR घाल आनी कोणाक सांगता कावन्सिलाक सांगता FIR घे म्हण रॉंग तें तो गिल्टी आहा तेजेर एक्शन घे पूण पयलीं सारको तेका प्रूव कर आतां तेतूंच प्रेसान येयलें इट केम इन द प्रेस फोटो येयलो बट टुडे वॉट इज हॅपनिंग सगळे लोक येताय अरे कावन्सील सगळे चोर कावन्सिलरूय चोर मरमुगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील इज लायक दॅट हाऊ कॅन दॅट स्टेटमेंट बी मेड इट्स रॉंग नो So, based on an allegation, today सगळे म्हणटाय वास्को municipality is issue. They're wrong जाता. So, one thing we would like to clear is that as far as the council is concerned, we are not saying everybody is clean. Yeah, there may be staff who are guilty. But if they are guilty, prove it first and take the necessary action. That's what we are saying.
So a wrong message is being passed that the councillors are in support of any corruption, when it is only allegations that are being made.
Yeah, it's an allegation. First, prove it. Take the necessary action. We are not blocking any action. But when you say file an FIR directly and you are telling the council, we are the appointing authority, I agree. But tell the council to file an FIR. What we are saying is first, have you completed your procedure? Do that procedure as per law and then proceed as per law.